Today we're heading off the main river and exploring Bangkok's Khlongs. These are canals that branch out from the Chao Phraya River and show a totally different side of the city. One of these boats cost us 2,000 baht between 4 people, which isn't bad at all considering we were on the river for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we had a great friendly guide. Out here, the noise of Bangkok just disappears. You've got narrow waterways and old wooden houses and locals going about their day. It's really calm, but you can still feel the city's energy. Sarika! What one?
The pearl, model, and the elephant. The elephant.
That's quite pretty. 200 baht? Can we see the monkey? The free monkey. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Kapun krap. There we go. Thank you. Beer? How much? 100 baht. Ah, you're very good. Thank you so much. We got a water. We're gonna beer. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
That's all. Thank you. Our first deal of the day. So these canals were once Bangkok's main roads, but obviously a lot has changed now. So some of these houses are beautiful and full of character still, but others are honestly falling apart and the river is starting to take its toll. It's starting to really show the gap between the old and the new side of Bangkok. Every now and then you pass a temple. We have Wat Paknam, Wat Paknam, Wat Paknam, and a few more, and each one of these just pop out of nowhere. It's quite wild. It creates a very spiritual and peaceful feeling along the river, and it allows us to step away from the city's chaos, which is just a few minutes away. Feels really slow, it's quiet, and it honestly feels like you're stepping back in time into the old Bangkok. We started our trip right near Jack's Bar along the river, but there are tons of canal tours which you can find around here in the area. Some are private longtail boats, some are shared, but all of them give you this raw, authentic look at life in Bangkok.
Good one.
So if you ever need a break from the traffic and the malls, hop on a boat and drift through the Khlongs. It's quieter and it shows you the more human side of Bangkok, and it's pretty amazing.